This was done to me by Dennis Kang when he was fighting in Pride. And it blew me away. I was like, anyway, I had him in side mount. I was pulling him in towards the wall, and he rotated a bit so that his legs were a little bit closer to the wall than his head. I still thought I was in control, but he had a trick. Foot on the wall, run up, and jump over. So you go from the bottom of side mount to the top of side mount. That is actually a lot easier to do than it looks. You're basically, it's hard to do if you're here, because you can't run. But if you're angled just a little bit like this, 20 degrees, 30 degrees to the wall, foot on the wall, foot on the wall, foot on the wall, head to the side. And here, have you ever done this move, Scotty? Never? Not once?
Yeah.
Why don't we do it? So we're here.
Yeah.
I'll get you in a tight side mount. So put your foot on the wall, foot on the wall, foot on the wall. Keep on going.
Oh, they're on the wall.
You just gotta make sure you tuck your head out of the way there, because you don't want to go directly over your neck. So, if you train jiu-jitsu just for sport, you haven't watched this video at all, or you're gonna post negative comments. If you train jiu-jitsu with at least a little bit of emphasis on self-defense or MMA, work this.